Welcome to MS Welding TV. Today we're going to be having a look at the new Hypertherm Powermax 30 XP. It's a brilliant new machine in a very small package, capable of that severance cut of 16mm. It's got a recommended cut of 10 or 12mm in relation to your cutting speed, and it can be used with those fine cut consumables for that delicate cutting work you may need to do. It's the brand new Powermax 30 XP from Hypertherm. Thanks for checking us out on MS Welding TV. Don't forget to subscribe and contact us for any information regarding this and any other Hypertherm product at mswelding.co.uk.